Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today I wanted to give a mental health update because I haven't given one in a while. I'm feeling pretty good. Still depressed, but feeling better. It's weird how you can be depressed and have these like glimmers of good times. But today I'm not having that. I'm just having this kind of nagging feeling that I just don't want to be here, and I'm not gonna do anything. So I'm safe. So please don't worry about me. I just feel like it's my obligation as someone who is a mental health advocate to talk about bad days as well. You know, we can all talk about how it gets better and we'll feel better and we'll do better and blah blah. But you know, some days are just gonna be rough, and today's one of those days, and it's okay. It happens. I just kind of want to curl up and just wither away, and I'm not looking for like sympathy or you know, attention or anything. I just want to bring, I guess, awareness. I don't know. I really don't know why I'm doing this video. I feel like morally obligated to do it, but I don't really want to be here. I don't want to be talking about this right now. I'd rather just like sleep. I guess that should have been my first cue that things are going downhill. Try to have a list of warning signs of things that are bothering me or starting to kind of well up in me. And one of them is sleeping too much or not enough. And, you know, bipolar is a disease of extremes. It's never just, you know, everything kind of comes in like a black and white kind of package. So I've been sleeping, my sleep has been just totally wrecked. I either sleep all the time or I barely sleep. Mostly sleeping all the time lately. And my appetite's just gone. I force myself to eat because I have to. I said I'd do that in my kind of wellness plan that I built for myself that you guys helped me with. But I'm just not like food's lost its taste. Like, it's just things aren't going well. And I'm just feeling kind of lost and, you know, worthless. So I would appreciate if in the comments, if you do leave a comment, please don't say like it gets better or like you can do it or you'll get through it, or please don't say anything like that. I don't really want to hear that right now, because I know it does, but it doesn't feel like it right now, and I just that method just doesn't work for me, and I can't just get up and go on a walk or read a book or crochet my way out of this. It's just a chemical imbalance that sometimes you do your best to work your way out of, and it just doesn't work. You just feel like garbage. I know this is a really sad video, and I apologize. Like, I feel like I want to cry. Like, why? Like, I'm just tired of being depressed. I mean, I've been dealing with this depression kind of off and on, more on than off, for a year now. Like, what is that? I just don't want to feel this way anymore, and I want to feel happiness without this, like, looming threat of things are going to get bad soon. And you know, it's times like this where I basically pray for mania, and that's not healthy. I mean, that's the opposite of what I'm feeling now, and it's uncontrollable, and it's scary, and it's uncomfortable. It's physically uncomfortable. It makes me want to just peel my skin off, and I do reckless things, and I hurt people, and it, like, emotionally, and I don't want to be that person either, but it just feels like I just bounce to different extremes, and you know, I hate being manic. I hate it, but I just, like, it feels so much better than this. God. Sorry. I don't know why I'm like this. I guess I wanted to show what bipolar could really be like. It's not like this for everybody all the time. It's not like this for me all the time. Felt like so much effort just to open my eyes. Oh my god. If you want to leave a comment, the best thing that you could say is that you're my friend and you care. Even if we don't know each other well. If it feels uncomfortable, don't say it, but that's the best thing that you can say right now. I just need to feel like people care. I'm sorry for forcing you to say that, but I'm gonna go. But I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.